Pronunciation. Is it easy to pronounce Italian words? What do you think? Italian is a phonetic language, which means that it's pronounced the way it's written. Yay! So each letter or letter combination has a distinct and unique sound. This makes words easy to pronounce once you memorize how to say each letter. Okay, so I'm going to go through a few letters and sounds here. And then once you know them, it will make your life a lot easier when you're reading Italian. Okay, so which Italian letters which Italian letters sound different from English letters? Okay, so first we have the C or the chi sounds. The sound changes depending on the vowel that follows. Okay, so for example, the CE, I'm just going to say it as English letters here, just so we don't get too confused. Okay, so the CE and the CI combinations make a ch sound, okay, such as in ciao. The CA, the CO, and the CU combinations make a k or a hard sound, okay? The GN sounds like the N in onion, okay? So nya, it's a nya sound. The GLI sounds like the double L in million. Okay, so the GLI sounds like a yeah, yeah. Okay, try saying that on your own here. Yeah. You'll get it eventually if you don't get it right away. The R is always rolled, and a double R is rolled longer. Okay, so the R is pronounced R. Okay, and when you have a double R, it's a longer R. It just takes some practice. If you're not automatically good at trilling your R's, don't worry about it. There's a lot of people that can't trill their R's, so just work at it. And I think eventually, if you just loosen up your mouth a bit, it does get easier with time. And if you can't get it right away, don't worry, okay? The double consonants, such as CC, DD, TT, etc., are held for an extra syllable. Okay, so when you see that double consonant, okay, such as in spaghetti, okay, you hear how the extra T is held a little bit longer, or in words like capelli, there's a double L in there, okay, it means hair. Okay, so some examples we have are ciao. Okay, so the ciao is a soft C because you got the CI. Okay, CIAO, ciao. Dicembre, okay, because the E is following the C, so it's a ch sound again. Capelli, okay, means hair. So the CA, as you recall, the CA makes a k sound, okay? So the CA, CO, and CU, k. And then we got the double L, so it's held a little bit longer. So capelli. Okay, now here we have the GN. Okay, remember the GN up here? Sounds like the nya in onion. So we have gnocchi. Okay, and this is also a really good example because we have the double C, so it's held a little bit longer. And then we have the H that follows the C. Okay, so we have the H in between the C and the I. So what does that do? The H makes it a hard sound. Okay, so normally if there was no H there, it would be pronounced gnocchi. But because the H is in there, it becomes gnocchi. Okay, the hard C sound, gnocchi. Okay, coniglio. Coniglio, see the GLI. Again, the GLI is like the double L in million. This means rabbit or bunny. So coniglio. And again, the CO, we have the hard C because it's an O. Okay, go back up here again. CA, CO, CU is a hard K sound. So coniglio. And then we have the double D in freddo. Okay, so you held it just a little bit longer than if it were just one D. And then we, of course, trill the R always. So freddo means cold. All right, you'll get it. You'll get it. Don't worry. Just keep going over this slide if you have any trouble, and just keep working at it. Okay.